In today's video, I'll show you how to get started with Microsoft Loop, a powerful collaboration tool. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft Loop. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have it yet. Start by creating a new workspace, which will be your project hub. Give it a clear name and invite team members. You can set permissions to control who can view or edit, keeping your workspace organized and secure. Inside the workspace, create pages to break projects into manageable sections. Use loop components like tables, lists, and to-do boards to organize your information. These are dynamic, editable, and can be shared with your team in real time. Templates are available if you need inspiration or a quick setup for common project types. Plus, loop components work across Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Word, OneNote, and Whiteboard, keeping collaboration smooth across apps. By following these steps, you'll be ready to manage projects efficiently and collaborate seamlessly using Microsoft Loop.